start.
Hello, I'm Zooey. We will talk about how pressure cooker works. Pressure cooking is the process of cooking food at high pressure, employing water or a water-based cooking liquid, in a sealed vessel known as a pressure cooker. The pressure cooker, invented by the physicist Denis Papin in 1679, works by expelling air from the vessel, and trapping the steam produced from the boiling liquid inside. This can cook food far more quickly, often cooking in between half and a quarter the time for conventional boiling. After cooking, the steam is released so that the vessel can be opened safely. Now, in this cooker, it generates steam and pressure while cooking. We pour 4 to 5 cups of water actually. The pressure cooker is made up of metal, it is a good conductor of heat. The pressure cooker increases the pressure for about 4 minutes. Any food that you cook will settle downwards because of generating uniform pressure inside the cooker, so that the food doesn't get crushed. The top part of the cooker is the whistle, controlled by a valve. The whistle is on a spring-loaded pressure vent, and when the pressure vent opens to the whistle starts hissing noise. Here's the action. When this happens, it is a warning to turn the heat down a bit. If the valve appears to be blocked with food particles or dirt, the lid can no longer regulate pressure and it can grow to dangerous levels. After a moment, the pressure cooker would explode violently like a bomb. The whole kitchen is messed up and everything broke. It can kill or injure families. That's why the valve has to require 4% of air from kitchen room. Another component is a rubber ring enclosed at the edge of the lid to prevent the air in the pressure cooker from escaping. If it is damaged, it won't allow pressure to generate. Some foods like rice, beans, stews, mashed potatoes, etc. can be cooked in the pressure cooker. So you know how the pressure cooker works. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.